Amazing. I love the explanation of what you just said now. Okay, how long, have you been working in the youth development sector, and has it been so far, Mora?
I've been working in the youth development sector for about 4 years, and I started first very afraid and not very sure what to do. That was as a volunteer. But I think throughout the years I've grown and my boldness has also grown. And through working in this sector, I've been able to meet other people who have been able to add value to my own life as well as I add value to their own life. So it's been a journey, step by step, small, but yeah.
Okay, so about growing up in Africa, what's your take on it so far?
Growing up in Africa, I think Africa is a continent right now that has lots of young people who are trying to make good use of the social media, because I work in the social media. So I've seen some people using the social media to actually pass across good information and create awareness about really pivotal social issues that need to be heard about. So young people are taking up initiative right now and are not blaming the government so much or blaming other people, but they're taking responsibility and trying to create a better future for themselves.
All right, still like Radio 103, the One FM station.
My educational system, the curriculum, please make a better curriculum.
You think it needs to be changed, or you think it needs to be, what's it called now, adjusted, or you think it needs to be scrapped totally and then we have a new one, or you think it's totally bad?
To some extent, it's bad. To some extent, it needs to be changed. So, starting from the lecturers, I really like good lecturers to be teaching me, and they should be very, very knowledgeable. Curriculum, if there are things that were from the 1970s, 60s, please teach me about things that can be relevant for me now in the 2018s and 2020s, and things that I can actually use outside of school, not just theory, but practicals.
Amazing. All right, now to the question. And I would like to repeat the question again so you can understand. How can the youth be heard, and how can they contribute to tackling social issues?
Okay, first, we have social media. It's not just for selfies, for stalking people online. Let your voice be heard on social media. And also, secondly, volunteering. There are lots of organizations like the UN or NGOs around that actually tackle social issues. Once you get into their circles, you begin to find people who are doing things in the community, and your network grows. As your network grows, your influence grows, and as your influence grows as well, your ability to impact people change and also grows as well. So when you're in these circles, you could actually let your voice be heard through these people that you've met, through the work you're doing in these organizations, and also through social media. One, be a dreamer.
Be a dreamer.
Yeah, dream big. And number two, if what you're learning in school is not enough, please, that's not an excuse. Refuse to be limited by what your lecturers don't teach you. Go on Coursera, find courses, and learn more than you think you need. And also have a very strong drive and obsession to succeed and help others out.
Okay, all right.